Listen carefully, because the world you know is changing faster than ever. And somewhere, someone is preparing to build the next breakthrough, the next invention, the next revolution. But the real question is, will that person be you? Welcome to TechNexa Future Technology Academy, the place where the future isn't observed, it is created. As you walk inside, you don't step into a building, you step into possibility. Every desk, every screen, every tool is a doorway into tomorrow. Look around, students coding, testing, building ideas that once seemed impossible. Here we believe one thing: if you can imagine it, you can build it. What are you working on today?
I'm training AI systems because tomorrow will belong to the people who understand how machines think.
Imagine learning for jobs that don't even exist yet. That's what makes this place different. As we walk through this hallway, you can feel ambition in the air. These students aren't dreaming of success. They're building it step by step. Some want to engineer, some want to create, some will become AI architects who design the next breakthrough, because the future belongs to those who dare to learn more. What inspired you to join this academy?
I want to become someone the future needs.
Behind them, the idea wall grows, filled with dreams that refuse to stay small. Every note is a spark, every sketch is a beginning, every idea is a promise that tomorrow will be better than today. Now, step into the heart of innovation. In the AI labs, students train intelligence. In the robotics zone, ideas move. In the coding rooms, screens glow like windows into tomorrow. In the creative studios, imagination takes shape. This academy isn't preparing students for today's world. It's preparing them for the world we're about to enter.
Welcome to TechNexa Future Technology Academy. We don't believe in memorizing technology. We believe in mastering it.
What makes TechNexa different?
Our students learn faster than technology changes. That is the skill that builds leaders.
As the sun sets, the academy becomes even more beautiful. Some students are still working, hands moving across keyboards, eyes focused, minds shaping ideas. These quiet moments, this is where the future is built. Before we end, ask yourself one thing. What if the future is waiting for you? What if your creativity, your ideas, your passion could become the next big innovation? The doorway to tomorrow is here, and the next success story could be yours. This is TechNexa Future Technology Academy, where the future truly begins.